Zongzi originated in China and is one of the traditional festival foods in China. Its origins can be traced back to ancient legends. There are various legends about the origin of Zongzi, the most famous of which is the story of Yuan. According to legend, during the spring and autumn period, there was a loyal minister named Yuan in the state of Chu. He was a patriot who repeatedly advised the king to save the country, but his advice was always ignored. When Chu was invaded by the state of Qin, Yuan felt extremely sad and desperate, and eventually chose to commit suicide by drowning himself in the Miluo River. When the people heard about Yuan's suicide, they rushed to the river to rescue him, but they could not find his body, so they threw Zongzi into the river to prevent fish and shrimp from eating Yuan's body. Another legend about the origin of Zongzi is about using Zongzi to commemorate the ancient patriotic poet Yuan. On the day of the Dragon Boat Festival, people wrap Zongzi and throw them into the river to commemorate Yuan and to prevent fish and shrimp from eating his body. Regardless of which legend, Zongzi has become a traditional food for the Dragon Boat Festival. Every year on the 5th day of the 5th month of the lunar calendar, Chinese people wrap Zongzi to commemorate Yuan and traditional cultural customs. Zongzi is made from glutinous rice and other ingredients. Glutinous rice was a very important ingredient in ancient China, so Zongzi was also a major food in ancient times. The wrapping method for Zongzi is also very complicated. Although there are slight differences in the wrapping methods in different regions, they all involve wrapping the glutinous rice in bamboo leaves or other plant leaves, and then tying them well before cooking. In addition to China, other East Asian countries also have the tradition of eating Zongzi, such as South Korea, Vietnam, Japan, and others. Different countries have different methods and flavors of Zongzi. For instance, in South Korea, Zongzi is called chimichi, which is made by wrapping glutinous rice and herbs in calamus leaves, resulting in a sweet taste when cooked. Vietnam's Zongzi is made by wrapping glutinous rice, beans, and meat in bamboo leaves, also creating a delicious traditional food. In conclusion, Zongzi is a traditional food that has been passed down in China and other East Asian countries for a long time. It is not only a delicious food but also a symbol of traditional culture and history. Every year during the Dragon Boat Festival, people wrap Zongzi to commemorate the ancient patriotic poet Yuan and hope to pass on and promote traditional culture through this practice.